Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with some dip powders from Modelones. This kit right here, it is a 20-piece dip powder kit, and it also has the liquids and some fun nail accessories. So this is everything that comes in the kit. So the first thing is some brush replacement heads, just in case you contaminate your brushes and they harden. You have some extras, and then this informational guide giving you step-by-step on removal and preparation and how to start dipping if you are just dabbling into the dip powder. And then I really like this product book. I did not know that there is a glitter top coat. You know that I love using the Modelones gel base and top coat for my gel method dip powder manis. So I really like this product guide. It's super fun, and there is tons of other products in here that I did not know they have. So the first thing in this kit, it is the file, and this file is awesome. You will see it here in action in a little bit. And then it came with a ombre brush or duster brush, however you would like to use it. It's actually a really nice brush. And then you have a little filing block here, a cuticle pusher. These are really nice. And then we have something that was really surprised me that was in the kit is a cuticle oil, and I really like the little click pens, and it has a fresh scent to it. So then it has the dip liquids in here. You have your base coat, your activator, you also have the top coat, and then you have a brush saver as well. So here's one of the colors that we're going to be using today. It is number 44. This is one of the chunky glitters that are in the kit. So there are 20 dip powders total, and they all are protected with that little seal on there. And check out this gorgeous glitter. It is super pretty. It has fine glitters of blue and then some silver in there. So we're going to be using 4 colors today, and we are going to switch it up. We are going to be making a press-on set. So we're going to dive right in here with that dip base. You can see here it's just a little bottle, and it has a stopper in there as well. So right away I'm going to go ahead and stir that beautiful vibrant blue dip powder, and we're just going to go right in with that dip base. Now when I'm making press-ons, I like to make sure that I'm focusing the majority of that dip base in the center of the nail, and then I'll go ahead and move that up, and then I'm going to go ahead and gently dip that nail into that dip powder. And check out that very blue pigment with just one dip. I was completely blown away by that color payoff with just one dip, and this blue is super pretty. So you will see a trend here when we are dipping into these colors that the color payoff is really awesome. So we're also going to be dipping into a black dip powder in a few moments here, and that also took me by surprise. I was completely shocked, and I mean shocked, when I saw the full coverage and how pigmented the black dip powder was. Because for me, I feel like black dip powders in kits are very hit or miss. It's either not black at all, it's gray and patchy. It just doesn't really work for me in dip kits, but the Modelones black in this kit is amazing. Okay, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these powders, and then I will pop back in a few moments. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. These powders performed amazingly, and I can't believe how well they performed. I was a little shocked. I'm just telling you right now that I was shocked. I did not expect these powders to perform as well as they did. The dip liquids were also really awesome. I do like them. If you ever have the opportunity and you are looking to purchase like full-size dip liquids, I definitely recommend checking out the Model Ones. Or if you like doing the gel method with your dip powders, you know that I love the Model Ones gels for that. That is also an option for you. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, I will go ahead and link Model One's Instagram information as well, so you can check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.